Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about 7 tips and tricks for steering a car safely and properly. In this video, I'll be going over 7 simple tips and tricks that will help you when you are steering a car in various situations. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Number 1 is hand placement matters a lot. Now, literally, where you place your hands on the steering wheel and how you place your hands on the steering wheel matters a ton with regards to steering a car safely and properly, okay? Now, as a general rule of thumb, you want your hands to be roughly spread apart. You don't want them to be too close together. And you also want your hands to be balanced on the steering wheel. Because if you are going towards the right, if your hands are like more towards the right, as opposed to being centered, then you're gonna veer to the right, unwillingly, not like for making a right turn. Like I'm talking about just drifting to the right. And if your hands are towards the left, you're gonna sort of drift towards the left. So what you wanna do is you wanna make sure your hands are spread out and also they have a balance on the steering wheel. Okay, number 2 is your options are straight, right, and left. When you're steering a car, you can steer it straight, you can steer it to the right, and you can steer to the left. I know that this seems like common sense, but the truth of the matter is that not enough people fully understand what this means. You need to choose one of those, and then you need to steer the car in that direction. If you're steering straight, make sure you're keeping the car in a straight line. If you're steering to the right, make sure you're turning to the right, depending on how much you gotta turn to the right. And if you're turning to the left, the same thing follows with the left. Number 3. Look where you want the car to go. You see, if I want to drive the car in a nice straight line, I'm going to look far ahead, just as far as I can in a straight line. If I'm going to make a left-hand turn, I'm going to look towards the left. Not like this, not like a blind spot check, but towards my left. If I'm going to turn towards the right, I'm going to look towards the right. Okay? You got to look where you want the car to go. Your eyes will guide your steering with your hands. It's as simple as that. Number 4 on this list is there is no right or wrong way to steer. There are a few options. I mean, there are some like hybrid steering methods, but mainly speaking, you have like hand over hand steering, you have the push-pull method, and you have one-handed steering. Those are the 3 main methods. If you want tutorials for each of those, just go look them up. You're probably gonna find a familiar face, and you're gonna hear a familiar voice if you know what I'm talking about, and you can learn how to do those. But I mean, this isn't a tutorial video. This is a tips and tricks video. But basically, there's no right or wrong way to steer. Just whatever works for you to keep you safe and to allow you to steer the car properly, that's what you're gonna use. Number 5 is posture matters a lot. If you take a look at how I'm sitting, and I didn't even think about sitting like this, I just kind of sat like this naturally. I'm sitting like with my shoulders relatively square to the front of the car. And if you notice right there, I made a left turn, I looked towards the left. Now, your posture, how you are sitting, actually matters a ton. And not enough people think about this. They think that they could just sit however they want and it's not gonna matter. But the truth of the matter is that your posture does matter a lot. How you're sitting does indeed matter a lot. I just wanted to make sure I'm in the parking spot properly. I'm just gonna straighten out over here. Yes, I put my seatbelt on even when I'm moving the car like 4 feet. It's just what I do. So you want to make sure that you are sitting basically with proper posture. So you want to be sitting with your shoulders square to the front of the car. And then your neck will control your head and adjust what you want to look at, okay? Tip and trick number 6 for steering a car safely and properly is practice will make you better. That's right. Practicing will actually make you a better driver. Of course it will. Practicing will make anyone better at anything. It's literally as simple as that. So you got to practice, okay? What you want to do is figure out what you want to improve at, whether it's steering or anything, and practice that. And if you want to improve at steering specifically, because that's what this video is about, then literally go on a street and make like 100 left turns and make 100 right turns. And you're going to get better at turning right and left. And then go and drive in a straight line on a road for like an hour and practice holding the car straight. And guess what? Well, you're going to, once again, you're going to be practicing. Every time that you drive, you're actually practicing, and you're always steering. So even if you're just driving in a straight line, you're practicing your steering, because steering straight is still steering, okay? Last but not least is tip and trick number 7. which is your input on the wheel will control the output of the car, okay? And a lot of people don't think this. They think like they just, you know, oh, I'm decent at steering. I can't get better. Well, your input, whatever you do on the steering wheel will control the output of the car, what happens. So if I am holding the steering wheel perfectly straight, the wheels of the car are going to be perfectly straight. And if I'm turning it to the right, the wheels are going to go to the right. If I'm turning it to the left, the wheels are going to go to the left. And so it's just a matter of practicing. The more that you practice, the better that your input will be on the car, and the better that the output of the car will be on the road, the better that your steering will be. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.